Hey guys, I'm here today with 2 snacks from different Kawaii boxes. And I'm just gonna try a few of them. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start with this strawberry one, which has an easy open. There we go. And the cookies look like this. They're really cute. And then on the back, it just that way. So looks like that's what it was supposed on the back, like what it's supposed to look like. That's good. What's really cute is they all have different faces. Now, next is these grape flavored things, which are supposed to be easy to rip apart. And I don't know if that's good for your gums, maybe? Because of the teeth. I didn't see that on the other one. But, yeah, where's the open? Like all these have really easy open things, which is kind of nice because it's not always easy to open these things. Okay, so this is what they look like. So it's easy to like rip apart. It's good. Like at first it didn't feel like it had much flavor. I feel like I could make the grape flavor stronger. Because it's like very subtle, if you know what I mean. But on the package, this is probably the cutest. The panda on the other one was cute, but this is cute. Grapes. It also helps to eat multiple of them together. Eating them one by one, there's not much flavor. So that's what I'd recommend. If you want the best flavor, pop a few in your mouth. Well, thanks for watching. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.